Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making sure your Oppo is unlocked and has enough power. Low battery can interrupt changes. Once ready, connect to Wi-Fi so verification steps complete smoothly. Next, open the Settings app and tap Security or Biometrics and Passwords to begin changing your lock. You do this now because these menus contain the active screen lock options. Make sure you have your current PIN, pattern, or password available. The phone will ask you to confirm it before allowing any change. Once you confirm your current credential, the phone grants access to lock settings. This prevents unauthorized changes. Now choose a new lock type, PIN, password, or pattern based on desired security and convenience. If you pick PIN or password, use a mix of numbers and letters for stronger protection. For pattern, avoid simple shapes. After selecting, enter the new credential twice to verify. If available, enable fingerprint or face unlock as a secondary method for quicker access without weakening primary security. Finish by saving the new lock and locking the screen to test it immediately. Try unlocking twice to ensure it works. Make sure backup options are enabled, like fingerprint, face, or a trusted PIN, and verify device encryption is active for full protection. If you forget the new password or the phone rejects it, use your Oppo account recovery, Google Find My Device, or Factory Reset as a last resort. But remember, Factory Reset erases data. Keep account credentials recorded securely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.